From this video, you will get tips to prepare for AB-650, Administering Microsoft 365 and AI Services exam. Introduction of AB-650, Administering Microsoft 365 and AI Services exam. You should know AB-650 exam details before your test. Master AB-650 skills measured. How to prepare for AB-650 exam. 1. An organization wants users to see the company logo, custom background, and corporate theme when accessing Microsoft 365 services. Which configuration should the administrator manage? A. Tenant branding. B. Microsoft Purview DLP. C. Microsoft Defender attack simulation. D. Microsoft Entra password protection. Answer. A. 2. A company adds a new business domain and wants users to sign in with email addresses from that domain. What should the administrator do first? A. Create an attack simulation campaign. B. Configure Microsoft 365 backup. C. Add and verify the domain in the Microsoft 365 tenant. D. Enable Copilot connectors. Answer. C. 3. A company wants to assign Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses automatically to members of a specific department. Which approach is most appropriate? A. Create a shared mailbox. B. Configure group-based licensing. C. Enable site exclusions in SharePoint. D. Configure SSPR registration. Answer. B. 4. An organization is preparing SharePoint and OneDrive for Microsoft 365 Copilot. The administrator discovers some sites contain overshared sensitive files. What should the administrator do? A. Review permissions, apply governance controls, and use site exclusions where needed. B. Disable all SharePoint sites permanently. C. Assign Copilot licenses to all users immediately. D. Remove Microsoft Search from the tenant. Answer. A. 5. User needs temporary elevated permissions to perform an administrative task in Microsoft 365. Which feature should be used to reduce standing privilege? A. Microsoft Search in SharePoint. B. Microsoft 365 Backup. C. Microsoft Copilot Cowork. D. Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Management. Answer. D. 6. A company wants to require multi-factor authentication when users access Microsoft 365 from risky locations. Which solution should the administrator configure? A. Microsoft 365 Backup Restore. B. Microsoft Entra Conditional Access. C. Microsoft Defender Attack Simulation Training. D. SharePoint Site Creation Policy. Answer B. 7. A company wants to prevent sensitive financial data from being shared through Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, endpoints, and Copilot. Which control should the administrator plan? A. Microsoft 365 Backup Restore Point. B. Tenant Branding Policy. C. Microsoft Purview Data Loss Prevention Policy. D. Copilot Release Preference Setting. Answer C. 8. An organization wants confidential documents to be encrypted and marked with a visible classification. Which Microsoft Purview feature should be used? A. Sensitivity labels and label policies. B. Microsoft 365 Service Health. C. Copilot connectors. D. Administrative units. Answer A. 9. An administrator is assessing Microsoft 365 Copilot readiness and finds that many users have access to files they should not see. What issue should be addressed first? A. Tenant logo size. B. Data oversharing. C. Service health email frequency. D. Shared mailbox display name. Answer B. 10. Leadership wants reports showing Microsoft 365 Copilot adoption, workload level usage, AI service costs, and service health. Which area should the administrator monitor? A. Copilot usage reports and Copilot control system. B. Tenant branding history. C. Shared mailbox aliases. D. Password hash synchronization only. Answer A. Subscribe and like past question.